Hello guys, welcome to Every Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can buy Bitcoin on no one's, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can find legit vendors if you want to buy Bitcoin on no one's. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we already know that no one's is a great platform for P2P, especially if you are willing to buy Bitcoin using different payment methods. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can find legit vendors that you can buy Bitcoin from without any delays and all that stuff. But let's dive right into it without wasting any time. So you can see that no one's dashboard is really simple and user-friendly dashboard. So on no one's you can find a lot of vendors that you can buy Bitcoin from. So the first thing first you need to do is to create an account, and the link to no one is going to be in the description below as well. And once you create an account, you're going to go straight to this tab where it's written marketplace, and once you click it, it's going to show you a bunch of vendors that are selling cryptocurrency using a bunch of payment methods, and you're going to have to choose one from this list, right? So you can see that right here we have got all these vendors that are selling their cryptocurrency using different payment methods, including Chiba Cash, Paisa, Airtel Money, FNB e-wallet and stuff like that. But let's say you want to buy Bitcoin using bank transfer and you want to pay a cheap price, because these are recommended vendors that no one is recommending you to buy Bitcoin from. So it's a simple step. All you have to do is to click this tab and choose a currency that you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, you're going to go ahead and click Bitcoin like this, and right here is going to ask you the amount that you want to spend. So right here you're going to choose depending on your country. So right now I'm in South Africa, and I can just go ahead and click South African rand. But if you're in Nigeria, you can go ahead and click NGN, and we have a bunch of all other countries. So no one's is worldwide because it's a P2P platform. This is the only place whereby you can buy Bitcoin using different payment methods, and this is the biggest problem that they tried to solve, because crypto wasn't really accessible because of these regulations and stuff, and no one came and then solved this problem for us. So I'm in South Africa and I can just go ahead and click South African rand, and right here it's gonna ask me a payment method. So if I click right here, you can see that it's gonna show me a bunch of payment methods, including gift card, bank transfer, online wallets, and all other payment methods that you might know. So right here you're just gonna choose any payment method that you want to use to pay. But right now, let's say I want to go with bank transfer, I can just go ahead and click like this, and right here it's going to show me all the vendors that are willing to sell their cryptocurrency using bank transfer. So you can see that these are only recommended vendors that no one is recommending me to buy from. But let's say if you're not satisfied with these offers, you can go ahead and click this button and filter this out. So you have got three options right here. You can either choose recommended offers, or choose from the highest to the lowest price, or from the lowest price to the highest price. So I recommend that you go for this third option right here, where it's written to the lowest price to the highest price, because you're gonna find offers at your price. So you can see that a first vendor right here is at least 0%, and they have only done 3 trades. So I recommend that you go for at least 5% going to the upwards, because these are vendors that you can trust. Because like, what's the point of selling Bitcoin if they're not going to make any profit, or unless if they just want to convert their cryptocurrency into cash. But these are some things that you have to pay attention to if you want to buy Bitcoin from vendors. You have to make sure that their account is verified, their phone number is verified, and they have done multiple trades before. You don't just have to jump into a trade. But let's say I'm satisfied with this vendor right here. He's selling at 5%, and he has done at least 11 trades, and he's got some likes and stuff like that. So I can just go ahead and click buy. You know what I mean? So it's gonna take me to his profile, and this is where I can pretty much see the details of this vendor and see his feedbacks and stuff like that. So far I don't see any feedback, but let's say if I'm willing to buy crypto using this vendor, I can just go ahead and put the amount that I'm willing to spend. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin with 1,000 rand, and it says that his limit is from 2,000 to 3,000. So let's say I want to buy crypto, I want to buy 2,000 rand worth of cryptocurrency, and I'm gonna get this amount in Bitcoin. You know what I mean? And right here said he's accepting all banks, meaning that he has multiple banks account. So probably I'm gonna have to ask him to provide me with his banking details on the chart. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a trade. You know what I mean? So right here you can see that it says that the price has changed, but it's okay. I can just go ahead and click continue. So this is not a fixed price, right? but I can just go ahead and read these terms. So he's gonna need a receipt. This is proof of payment, and no third parties, meaning that I do not have to send money using someone else's account or something like that. And it's gonna be a guided trade. So if we're satisfied with these offers, we can just go ahead and click continue, and we're gonna probably start a trade. And this is how a trade looks like in the DM. So this is where I can pretty much ask him for the details and stuff like that, and it's gonna hack, and he's gonna guide me on how exactly we're gonna do this and stuff like that. So it's easy like this, and you can use Noans to buy crypto, or if you have got paper and stuff like that and you are willing to sell it on Noans, you can do that, including gift card and stuff like that. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. If you want to contact me, my contacts and Telegram group is gonna be in the description below as well, and you can check out Heavy Crypto University online if you want to learn more about P2P trading and stuff like that. So therefore, I'll see the video. Love and peace, my friends. Cheers.